Hello everyone, how is it going? I'm starting new series writing AI application using Spring Boot. We'll go over how to set up and create apps, basically APIs using different models. I'm going to mostly use local models. I'll show you how to set those things up and use that for practice so you can actually use proprietary models to create application that helps you do stuff conveniently and efficiently. So this is basic setup. I'll walk you through and we can keep learning. This is my kind of video journal, so bear with me and hop on the journey. Basically you can see in the IDE, this is very basic setup, right? I used the starter to create the app and then brought in the application here. I unzipped it and imported POM file. Let's go over POM, right? The version I'm using for Spring Boot is 358. That's the latest one, I think. And then these are normal settings that is generated. I'm using Java version 17, web as a dependency. Then I'm using model Ollama. Okay, this is local. You can download and install in your computer and you just run it. This is similar to you can use it as ChatGPT, your local, and it doesn't go to the internet. It's not as powerful, but it gets the work done. And then this is the Spring AI dependency we need. I will have the code in my GitHub, so don't worry about remembering all of this stuff. This is the basic setup, and then I'm writing this is basic flow for Spring Boot, right? So I have a local setup. It runs in 8080 and just named as AI app local. Then this is how it gets the setup to use the local LLM model. Okay, this is Ollama URL that it uses. This is the model Mistral. You can use different. Will come like what these things are in the later videos. This is the simple configurations. We can go over chat controller. So this is simple REST setup, right? We have get mapping chat, and then we are passing the prompt in the URL. This is path variable prompt and calling the chat service get chat. Okay, let me change this chat response and we can go here. So this would be chat response. So the service here, we can create the chat client. This comes with the dependency, and I'm just injecting in the constructor and building the object. Then in the method, I'm getting client.prompt. So this is where we pass the prompt that we receive from user input. Call, this is what calls the LLM, gets the response, gets the result, gets the output from the result. This is from AI message, and then it returns as text. So this is very easy. This is all I have done so far. So basically remembering to get the dependencies and then writing simple REST API. So you have to have basic Spring Boot knowledge to do this one. Let me run the application. Okay, so let me check the Postman. So here I have localhost 8080 API chat. This was what I was trying, but I have this URL in the controller, right? So here I'll just use the versioning part, and this is what the prompt we are passing, right? We can pass different prompts, but we'll see. So it says I don't have personal experience or physical body, so I don't age grow, it's just normal response it gave. So let me tell me a joke. Sure, here's a classic one for you. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. So if you have used ChatGPT, this is what ChatGPT is doing for you, right? It has UI. We'll slowly, when we have basic understanding, we'll build the UI also. Then we have like similar to ChatGPT, but we are not trying to build a ChatGPT. ChatGPT is already there. You can leverage the same knowledge to build tools that helps you. So today is the first lesson. We'll go over a lot of these ideas that we need to learn to create a better AI applications using the tools you already use, just trying to learn how to integrate AI into it. I hope you'd enjoy the journey. See you next week.